Hello, Classroom 3. Today we are doing activities on under June 4th. I emailed the new packet yesterday evening. So if you check your email, you will see that I did email the new packet. So June 4th for ELA and social and emotional, make a book. So what you're gonna do this week, you're going to make a book, and each day you're gonna ask a question and have your child draw a picture. So for today, it is make a book. Over the next few days, compile pages for a book. Each family member can draw a picture and write a caption answering the question, what was my favorite thing to do with my friends at school? So you could ask each family member in your household to draw a picture and write a caption of what was their favorite thing to do when they was in school with their friends. So that way, this is what you're going to be doing for ELA and social emotional. For math, you are going to do wash day. Examine all of the socks. Find different ways to sort and organize them, shortest to longest, by color, and finally by matching pairs. So Miss Tiana did make on YouTube activity on our YouTube page of a wash day activity. So the name of the video is wash day activity, where Miss Tiana have the children looking at socks and see which one is longer, shorter, and sort them by color. So you could have them watch our the video on our YouTube channel if you don't want to do hands-on at home. If you want to do hands-on at home, this is what you do. You get the socks and just ask these questions to your child. Which socks is shorter? What sort them by color? Which one's the same colors? And which one are the same, matching them. So you could do that, or you could have them look at the video that Miss Tiana post today. And the name of the video again is called Wash Day Activity. For science and social studies, we are doing the calendar of a special memory. So you can get, if you have a calendar at home or one of those big calendars, all you have to do is just cut out picture, or you can have the child draw a picture of special events that you're going to do. Um, so for example, if um you're going to go to the beach one day, you could have draw a picture on the day that you're going to the beach. You could have the child draw a sun or cut a picture of a sun to let the child know that that's the day you're going to the beach. If you're going to have a little picnic or a cookout for 4th of July, on that day you might put pictures of fireworks or a picnic or food to let the child know that that day that, you know, we're going to have a picnic for the 4th of July. Or any special event, if you're going to go visit a family member, you could put a car on the day and say that you're going to travel to go visit a family member. Something fun. I did, this is the activity right here. I'm going to send, and it just gives you step by step of what you're going to do. So I will send it. And I also will send it in Spanish. And you just read that and see like the stats, but it's easy. It's just marking the calendar of special events to help your child remember what you're going to do or what you did. For physical activity, you're going to do jump the river. You can lay a scarf on the ground. Imagine it is a river. Explore ways to cross without getting your feet wet. Then pretend to be different animals crossing. How would a bear, rabbit, crab, frog, or snake cross the river? So you could get anything. You could get a scarf, a towel, anything in the house, and you could pretend that it's a river and just have the child jump over. How act like an animal? How would an animal jump over the river? So just little fun things to do with your child at home with physical education. And that would be it for today. And again, we have it in Spanish. Here it goes in Spanish. We're following this thing. And that would be all for today.